So hello guys, welcome to iTech YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you iOS 14.4.1 review on iPhone 7 Plus. Apple released a surprise iOS 14.4.1 update for iPhone. iOS 14.4.1 is point release and much smaller than previous version of iOS 14. So guys, first one is how to install and download iOS 14.4.1 in iPhone and iPad. So guys, first of all open the settings. In settings, scroll down and tap on general. In general, scroll down and select the software update. In software update, you can see also iOS 14.4.1 update available, but still size of the iOS 14.4.1 is 91.2 MB in iPhone 7 Plus. Then you can see also download and install option. So please tap on that and easily download and install iOS 14.4.1 update in iPhone and Android devices. In iOS 14.4.1 does not have any new features, no fix on board. It's still important release for the iPhone users and as well as iPad users. iOS 14.4.1 review on iPhone 7 Plus. If your iPhone is currently on 14.4, iOS 14.4.1 require fairly large download. For iOS 14.4 users, the iOS 14.4.1 download size will be like 200 plus MB. The exact size of depend on your iPhone models and the version of the iOS is currently running. It's a 92 MBs download for iPhone 7 Plus user. If your iPhone is running an older version of iOS, you will most likely see bigger download because iOS 14.4.1 including the changes from iOS update you skip. If you are moving up from iOS 14.4, the iOS 14.4.1 installation should be take less than 15 minutes. It took 8 minutes to install iOS 14.4.1 in iPhone 12 Pro and also iPhone 7 Plus. Now I will show you connectivity on iPhone 7 Plus after iOS 14.4.1 updates. First one is battery life is currently stable on iPhone 7 Plus and iPad. The second one is Wi-Fi connectivity is fast and reliable. Third one is Bluetooth is working on normally in iPhone 7 Plus. The last fourth one is GPS and also circular data are both stable in iPhone 7 Plus and also iPad. Now show you app performance on iPhone 7 Plus after iOS 14.4.1 updates. Is third-party app including Netflix, Dark Sky, Twitter, Gmail, Chrome and Spotify are working fine at the moment. The second one is first-party app like Safari, Postcard and also Calendar are also stable in iPhone 7 Plus after iOS 14.4.1 updates. Now speed about iOS 14.4.1 on iPhone 7 Plus. iOS 14.4.1 currently feel as fast as iOS 14.4 and also iOS 14.3. If your iPhone is on iOS 14.4 and older version of iOS, you might wait to install iOS 14.4.1 in your iPhone right now. Now I will show you iOS 14.4.1 problems in iPhone 7 Plus. The current list of iOS 14 issue including the installation problem, lag exchange issue, problem with first and third party apps, hotspot problems, battery drain, screen touch issue, screen touch with touch ID and also face ID green tick issue on iPhone 12, random charger issue, also bad performance in iPhone 7 Plus. After iOS 14.4.1 updates, after you can see any bugs and also any problems in your iPhone 7 Plus, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment section. Thank you so much.